recording? What do you think of sailing? There's our resort right back there. So we got to switch sides.
I can just drive. Switch drivers.
Okay. Here. Whoa, baby. So we got to turn that way. Right there. My baby's sailing. Yeah! Sailing. Here we go. I'm sailing. Baby, teamwork. Hold your side down. We don't want to tip over. I'm the fatty. Tighten it up, baby. Whoa. Hold your side down. We're tipping this way a lot. And away we go.
We're experts.
Look at those muscles. Whoa. You feel your side sinking? What?
Here we go.
Look at this girl. She's kicking butt.
Look how far out we are.
Good thing we have life jackets. And we're heading towards Cozumel. Way off in the distance, I can see the buildings. I can still see the bottom of the water. water?
Yeah.
Nah.
Why not?
I don't want to lose the boat. I don't want you to take off without me. Oh, here we go. Hold your side down.